Welcome to our channel. Here, we celebrate the art and craft of woodworking, exploring everything from beginner tips to advanced techniques. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting your journey, our goal is to provide you with valuable insights, inspiration, and practical advice. We'll delve into various projects, showcasing the beauty and versatility of wood as a material. From creating stunning furniture to crafting unique home decor, our tutorials will guide you step by step, ensuring you build your skills and confidence along the way. As a community, we're passionate about sharing knowledge and fostering creativity. We believe that woodworking is not just a skill, but a way to express individuality and craftsmanship. Join us as we connect with fellow enthusiasts, share stories, and learn together. We'll also highlight sustainable practices and innovative techniques, emphasizing the importance of environmental responsibility in our craft. So grab your tools, roll up your sleeves, and let's embark on this exciting woodworking adventure together. If you enjoyed what you saw and want to keep up with all our woodworking adventures, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By hitting that subscribe button, you'll gain access to a wealth of tutorials, tips, and inspiration delivered right to your feed. We encourage you to share our videos with fellow woodworking enthusiasts and friends who might be interested in joining our community. Your likes and comments mean the world to us. Let us know what projects you're excited about or any questions you have. And be sure to stay with us until the end of the video. We often share exclusive insights, bonus tips, and sneak peeks of upcoming projects that you won't want to miss. Thank you for being a part of our woodworking journey. The revival of handcrafted goods. In recent years, there has been a notable resurgence in the appreciation for handcrafted items, including wooden furniture and decor. Consumers are increasingly looking for unique pieces that reflect their personal style, moving away from mass-produced products. This trend has opened up new market opportunities for woodworkers who can create distinctive, high-quality items. The appeal of craftsmanship lies not just in aesthetics, but also in the story behind each piece, fostering a deeper connection between the buyer and the maker. Sustainable practices in woodworking. Sustainability is a critical consideration in today's woodworking industry. As environmental awareness grows, many consumers prioritize eco-friendly products. Woodworkers can capitalize on this trend by sourcing reclaimed wood or using sustainably harvested timber. These practices not only reduce the environmental impact but also enhance the marketability of products. Consumers are often willing to pay a premium for items that align with their values, making sustainability a profitable business strategy. The impact of technology on woodworking. Advancements in technology have transformed the woodworking industry, making it more accessible to aspiring woodworkers. CNC machines, laser cutters, and digital design software have streamlined production processes, allowing for greater precision and efficiency. While traditional hand tools remain essential, the integration of technology enables woodworkers to create intricate designs and patterns that were once difficult to achieve. This evolution has opened new markets and opportunities for those willing to adapt and innovate. Market demand for customization. Customization is increasingly important in the woodworking market. Consumers are looking for personalized solutions that fit their specific needs and preferences. Whether it's a custom dining table or bespoke cabinetry, the ability to tailor products to individual specifications can significantly enhance profitability. Woodworkers who offer customization options can differentiate themselves in a crowded market, attracting clients who value uniqueness and personal touch. The growth of e-commerce and online sales. The rise of e-commerce has revolutionized how woodworking businesses operate. Online platforms enable woodworkers to reach a global audience, expanding their market beyond local customers. Websites like Etsy and Amazon Handmade provide opportunities for artisans to showcase their work and connect with buyers. Additionally, social media platforms serve as powerful marketing tools, allowing woodworkers to share their processes, engage with customers, and build a loyal following. Job opportunities in woodworking. The woodworking industry offers a variety of job opportunities, ranging from skilled craftspeople to business owners. Many individuals begin their careers as apprentices, learning the trade from experienced woodworkers. As they gain skills, they can specialize in areas such as furniture making, cabinetry, or restoration. Additionally, there is a growing demand for educators and trainers in woodworking as interest in the craft expands. This diversity of career paths makes woodworking an appealing option for those seeking fulfilling and creative work. The role of workshops and maker spaces. Workshops and maker spaces have emerged as vital resources for aspiring woodworkers. These communal spaces provide access to tools, equipment, and training, lowering the barrier to entry for newcomers. Participants can learn from experienced mentors, collaborate on projects, and gain hands-on experience. As these spaces proliferate, they foster a sense of community and encourage the sharing of knowledge and skills, ultimately benefiting the woodworking industry as a whole. Challenges facing the industry. Despite its many opportunities, the woodworking industry faces challenges, including competition for mass-produced goods and rising material costs. Additionally, the need for skilled labor remains a concern, as fewer individuals pursue woodworking as a career. To address these challenges, woodworkers must emphasize the value of craftsmanship, quality, and sustainability. By educating consumers on the benefits of handcrafted items, they can cultivate appreciation for their work and drive demand. Environmental stewardship and certification. In response to growing environmental concerns, many woodworkers are pursuing certifications such as Forest Stewardship Council (FSC) certification. This certification ensures that wood products come from responsibly managed forests, promoting sustainable practices. By obtaining such certifications, woodworkers can enhance their credibility and appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. This commitment to stewardship not only benefits the planet but also positions businesses favorably in a competitive market. A craft with endless possibilities. Woodworking is more than just a trade. It's a blend of art, science, and business that offers numerous opportunities. By focusing on sustainability, customization, and community engagement, woodworkers can carve out successful careers while contributing positively to the environment and local economies. As the market for handcrafted goods continues to expand, those who embrace innovation and craftsmanship will find endless possibilities for growth and fulfillment in this timeless craft. Thank you for watching our video. We truly appreciate your time and support as we explore the fascinating world of woodworking together. Your engagement means so much to us, and we hope you found inspiration and valuable insights that you can apply to your own projects. Remember, woodworking is a journey filled with creativity and learning, and we're excited to have you along for the ride. If you enjoyed this content, please consider leaving a comment with your thoughts or any questions you might have. We love hearing from you and look forward to creating even more amazing projects together in future videos. Happy woodworking, and see you next time.